Persian cat with their cute face begging you for something will need a different approach as Siamese and British. At the beginning still, we'll use the same method, placing light orange around the silhouette with a brush, as we'll need softer shapes due to the volume of their hair. Persian hair is shiny and their tail is sublime. Another thing we'll need to take into account will be the strength directions and definition. They should not be too exaggerated, but still visible, and don't forget to draw the furry little ears. With this cat, the dark brown color will define not only the fur volumes but also the general color, as it should be darker on the back and lighter on the hair extremes. The last details we should take special care about are the cat's faces, ears and paws, as these elements add emotional background to our illustration. Take care about the silhouette also, by cleaning the final shapes and background.